What's up everybody, Chris here, and in today's video we have an unboxing for you. I know it's been a little while, so sit back and enjoy the video. So today we are unboxing the RingConn Gen 3, size 9 in royal gold. I'm covering the barcode and the QR code just for security reasons. I don't know what information this has, just playing it safe. So here at the top we have a little pull tab. It's kind of like a sticker, similar to an Apple packaging. So we'll do that. So this is the size 9 gold RingConn Gen 3. Wow, that looks really cool. This will be my first smart ring ever. I didn't want to go with Oura Ring just for that monthly subscription option that you pretty much are mandatory to subscribe to. I just didn't want to do that. So I went with the RingConn Gen 3. And yeah, I think this was $314. I think it was on sale. I think it was like $314.99. So yeah, here we go. This is the box, RingConn Gen 3. I suppose these are all the colors that you have an option to choose from. Here on the side, it looks like this is what we have in the box. So you have the ring, the case, the charger, and some manuals, I guess. RingConn down here. You have a little hanging product tag here. It would be cool to start seeing these in stores. So here on the back it says RingConn Gen 3 Smart Ring and just a bunch of information here. Sorry if I'm being overly protective. I just don't know really what information that this has for you to scan. So let's take off these two stickers here. Wow, very nice packaging here. RingConn, there it is. So let's open it up. We'll take this little sleeve thing. It's kind of like a book. We'll open that. Know yourself better. Here's the ring itself. And I guess this is the manual right here. Let's open it up. Check it out. RingConn Quick Guide and Instruction Manual. So there we go. And by the way, I figured out my size because I did purchase the sizing kit. So let's take out the case here. Wow, case is actually cold. The case is very cold right now. It's like a metallic metal-y feel. It's very cold. I can just slide this out. I don't need to open up this tab here. This is the case. Nice like matte metallic black. Again, very cold. RingConn Smart Charging Case CHR03. It says reset, and then it says made in China under my finger there. Then you have a USB port here. Imagine there's another ring in here. That'd be cool. Looks like the case as well is already powered on or has a charge on it. And then saving the best for last here. And then we have a USB-C cable. It's nice and braided. It's like a braided USB-C cable. And lastly, we have the ring itself. Now I did do, again, as I mentioned before, the sizing kit, but I really hope it fits me. So I did put it on my index finger. So it's a nice gold, very nice and pretty here. Very reflective. And then you can see here you have the two little bumps there. And yeah, you can see all of its internals there. So let's just put it on my finger, see if it fits. Wow, really good fit, really nice fit. So if I'm doing this, it's not really coming off. I don't really know too much on how perfect it needs to be or how tight it needs to be, but if I just slide it off, there's a little resistance right here, but then once it passes this middle bone section, it just comes off. Let's try on my middle finger. I'm kind of scared to go all the way, but nope, it works too. I have a little bit of lotion on my hands. Ring finger is way too loose, and of course, pinky, thumb fits my thumb. Oh Lord, I just broke it. But yeah, there it is. So that's it for my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want like a review or like a week later review, let me know in the comments down below if anyone sees this. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Peace.